I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years.
Surprise! Hello, Lola! Happy birthday! Oh, retirement! We love you, Lola.
We love you.
Love you. Yeah.
Lola, thank you for your unconditional love and many more years successful years in your life.
Yeah.
We love you, Lola.
We love you, Lola.
Ayan. Thank you for sa ano ba sasabihin ko? Hindi, ganito yan. Salamat mama sa sakripisyo simula nung kami ay maliliit pa yan. Hanggang ngayon, alaga mo pa rin kami kahit may mga apo na. Maraming salamat. Ngayon, retire ka na. Oras naman para mag-relax. Ganyan. Basta sabihin mo lang kung saan mo gusto pumunta, mamasyal, sasamahan ka namin. Tsaka kung anong gusto mong bilhin, sabihin mo lang, marami ka ng pera. Sabihin mo lang, yan. Basta relax lang tayo muna. Okay, sige, hanggang dito na lang. Salamat din sa mga teachers na nagbigay ng opportunity para mag-greet namin si mama ng ganito. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye! Love you! Bye-bye!
Surprise! Hi, Lola! Ayan,
Happy retirement
happy retirement po sa iyo, Lola din.
Ayan, ingat po palagi. Ayun.
We love you at
We love
sana
you,
po
Lola.
ay
Love you, Lola.
salamat sa pagiging mabuting ina at Lola. Ayan, love you!
Love you. Bye, Katay.
I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Philip,
Yeah.
say hi, Lula.
Hi, Lola.
Also, da kan du fortelle Lola,
Lola.
happy
Happy
pension day.
Pension Day.
Sobra, da kan du se see you soon.
See you soon.
Ja, jag älskar dig.
Ja, älskar dig.
Yes, kaday, Lola.
Älskar dig, Lola.
Kom na! Dali na! Bibili pong skinken, oh.
Jag älskar att leka i snö.
Yeah. Son. Hi, Mama!
Hey, Mama.
Gratulated.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations. Okay, so, what can I say? Okay, but, I will continue my message later. So, bye-bye no, Papa. Hello! Hello po sa inyong lahat na nanonood. So, ayan. So, actually, paalis na ako. May flight ako ngayon. Anyway, so, syempre, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ang special na to para kay Mama. And, first of all, so, napapasalamat ako kasi, napakababait ninyo na, and you're very so nice para ipag-prepared si Mama ng ganitong surprise party para sa kanyang pension day. So, ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So, sa iyo, Mama, ano ba? Sabihin ko, alam mo naman, nag-uusap naman tayo, although, itong mga huling taon, so, madami man tayong pinagdaanan, and ikaw talaga yung iniidolo ko, sobra kasi, alam mo yung nangyari kay Papa, and then after that, yung nagkasakit ka, pero, grabe, hindi ka talaga pinaghihinaan ng loob, and I'm sobrang proud ako sa iyo, Mama. So, ngayon, it's your turn na magpahinga ka, mag-enjoy ka sa iyong pension. It's been a long time na talaga inaantay-antay mo yung panahon na to. So, you deserve it na magpahinga, enjoy mo lang yung pagtitinda. And then, sabi ko nga sa iyo, madami tayong plano. So, basta yun, hindi man ako physically na nakasama mo during your struggle nitong mga huling taon. But emotionally, naandyan naman ako sa iyo, lagi nakasupport. So, mahirap man sa part ko na kahit anong gawin ko, talaga ganun talaga, malayo ako. So, talagang pwede na lang, kung pwede ko na talagang isuot yung sarili ko sa camp para lang mahag ka during your struggle ng mga pinagdaanan natin. Kaso wala diba? So, we have to accept the fact na ito na yung napili kong path and kailangan kong tiisin na kung may mga ganun nga pangyayari is I have to accept na din na hindi ko kayang ibigay physically yung support na mabibigay ko. So, but emotionally, peace, psychology, so ibibigay ko sa iyo and tutulungan kita lagi. Alam mo na, dito ko, kayo lagi ang priority ko, ikaw lagi ang priority ko, ibigay ko lahat sa iyo. Lalo na mga hindi ko nga naibigay kay Papa, marami akong pangarap sa kanya, so ibubuhos ko sa iyo, ibubuhos ko lahat po sa inyo. So, kaya lagi akong, sabi ko sa iyo, magpagaling ka. You have to be strong kasi madami tayong plano gagawin. For now, you just have to enjoy your party. So, mag-enjoy ka lang dyan. Pakinggan mo lang to. So, ayun. But thank you po sa inyong lahat. Alam mo, Mama, mahal na mahal kita. And mahaba pang buhay pa para at least mas ma-enjoy mo pa yung iyong pension.
Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years.
Hi, Ma.
Ma.
Nasa senior high ka na. Enjoy lang. Alam namin na nawala ang kalahati ng buhay mo. Kasi nawala si Pa. Pero siya yung pinakamasaya sa mga naging achieve it mo ngayon. Maging matatag ka lang. Maraming salamat, Ma. Naging masaya ka. Nandito lang kami. Super thankful. Alam ni Lord na pagagalingin ka lang niya. At gagaling pa. At gagaling na. Thank you. Thank you, Ma, sa lahat-lahat. Enjoy. And surprise. This is it. And I love you.
Hello, Mama! Say hi. Hi, Mama. Happy retirement. So, enjoy your senior life and just enjoy your life. Siyempre, lalo na ngayon, wala si Papa. Pero lagi naman siya nakagabay sa atin. So, thank you for always making us happy and strong who you are. So, lagi mo lang kaming gabayan. Nandito lang kami para sa iyo. So, suportahan ka namin hanggang kasama ka namin. And palaguin mo pa yung business mo and I love you. Mahal kita. Bye-bye! See you!
Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you.